Yeah. Hey, yeah, I'm cool today, baby. I'm cool today. We're gonna be doing some cooking. Ah, welcome to the In the Kitchen show, and I am your host. I am the No Shirt Comedian, and I'm going to be cool today, baby. I'm telling you, it's the end of the year, so I want you guys to know that I really appreciate you watching episode 1 and episode 2. But this is episode 3, baby, and it's off the hook. We're going to be cooking some, yes, turkey, avocado, and beets. Tacos, baby. Let's get the cooking. All right. Um, I got this because I'm smoking without the smoke. Stay tuned, 2020, for my DVD coming out called Smoking Without the Smoke. See, you can have a cigar and be cool and everything and have it as an accessory and all that kind of stuff, man. But you know what? But you just never light it. You just be cool. Smoking without the smoke. Okay, let's get on with this cooking now. So, this is for the young men that don't know how to cook, so you don't have to worry about asking your mother or your sister something like that. So I'm gonna tell you how to cook this. So what you do, man, you get you some ground turkey instead of ground beef. You get you some ground turkey. Yeah, and you mix it up. And look at that. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna put you some bell pepper in there, man. You're gonna put you some. You're gonna put you some seasoning salt in there. Put some lemon pepper. I got me some lemon pepper. I like to put curry powder in my stuff. So curry is really good for me. So I got some curry stuff. Like I said, you got the bell pepper, and then some pickled beets. That's right, pickled beets. Make sure when you get to beets, they're pickled beets. Beets. Okay. Okay. Beat it, don't you know it's baby, beat it, woo! Anyway, so then you pour a little bit of the beet juice in the meat. Don't be afraid to turn it and get it a little red. I know men, we're afraid of red stuff, but well, yeah, listen, man, we afraid of that red stuff. But this is good. This is because this is turkey meat, so you want to make it look a little red, because you got a little beet in there, you got a little red bell pepper in there, man, and oh, this is gonna be awesome. Then you got your taco shells. You cook your taco shells ahead of time, so you can have it like that, man. Then you put a little bit of avocado and a little bit of cheese in there and everything, man. So yeah, this is pretty cool, man. So, getting back to the Cowboys, we're eliminated, and all year long we've been saying it for years that we got to get rid of Jason Garrett. Okay, well, guess what? We're gonna probably end up getting rid of him. Why you don't use Zeke, man? You got a quarterback, he's hurt. You got two running backs that can go over 100 yards, and here you are throwing the ball. Okay, but that's all right. Coach somewhere else. Smoke on that. Yeah, beat it, don't you know we're gonna cheat it? We not gonna be like New England and cheat it. We gonna get a good coach, man, and beat it. Oh, think about beets. Beets is in the tacos. Turkey, avocado, and beets taco. This is episode 3, baby. Yeah, this is gonna be the last episode of the year, 2020. I'm going to put together 10 of these episodes on one DVD, and then you're going to have to buy them. You're going to have to buy them. The only way you're going to know each episode is going to have a different recipe and a different theme. A different recipe and a different theme. Different comedy and different current events. You're not going to know until you buy the DVD. Copy it if you want to. That's all right. I'll get you. But yeah, next year you guys have to buy the DVD. I want these. I want to sell millions of DVDs all over the world to show these young cats. And this is not just for young cats, but check this out. This is for a lot of women that don't know how to cook. Check my video out and check out some of these recipes, and you could probably make it for your man or for your kids, or maybe for you, even for yourself. Tell me I ain't cool. Anyway, okay. So we got the So now what you do now, okay? Uh, I don't have to be cool all the time, so, but I'm gonna do so. What you do, okay? You take the taco shell and you put the meat. Just put a little bit of meat inside of the taco shell, okay? Now you got the meat in there and everything, okay? So now you got the tacos. Check this out. Check this out, man. And what you want to do, check this out. Mm. Mm. You could be afraid to eat turkey, avocado, and beef taco if you want to, but this is damn good, baby. You hear me? Mm. That's what I love about myself, because I can eat. I love to eat. I told my mother before she died, I said, Mom, I found out something new about myself. She said, what's that, son? I said, I love to eat. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn eating into a hobby. And guess what, Mom? She said, what? I said, I decided I'm going to eat the rest of my life. She said, son, I hope you do. I said, I'm going to eat the rest of my life, Mom. Mm. Oh. Mm. 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 This is like making love. Mm. 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 Oh, I forgot to take out. Fellas, before you ever cook, every episode you've seen, episode 1, episode 2, and no different for episode 3. I can eat the food in my mouth and myself, that is my shark. But fellas, before you get in the kitchen, wash your hands, you nasty one-eyed monsters. Mm-hmm. Getting in the kitchen, cooking everything, all that. Wash your hands, you one-eyed monster. I hate it when I go to the bathroom in the public and I see men going in the restroom and coming out quicker than I can Google nasty. Wash your hands before I can put the wire on there. They out. Wash your hands, you nasty one-eyed monster. Me and the kids can see the peanut butter jar, the jelly jar, but where is the peanut butter coming from? Wash your hands, you nasty one-eyed monsters. Wash your hands. So getting back to the tacos, I didn't really know it's going to be this good. All these recipes I come up with, sometimes I have a dream, and I just might come up with something, and then what's good about the show, because the recipe I come up with is funny. Okay, what is this show all about? It's about cooking, comedy, and current events. Okay, it might be a funny recipe, but when you try it, guess what? I might get the last laugh because it's good. I've had people tell me, no, sir, I've tried your recipe on recipe 1 and 2, on episode 1 and 2, and man, I can't wait till the next one. I got so many recipes wrapped up, man, you never even heard of them before. This is not the average cooking show. This is the in the kitchen show. Mm, 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 mm. Like regular. Mm, 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 mm. I would be wrong if I sit up here and have a show and don't eat this stuff that I'm cooking. I might be making it up, these recipes, but check it out. I'm eating it. So if I'm eating it, that means you can eat it. So don't be scared. Mm-hmm. I love to eat. Men love to eat. That's another thing, man. Before you eat anything, smell it. Smell it, damn it. If you don't smell right, then don't eat it. Go back. Close those like this. So anyway, what you need, mm, mm. Lord have mercy, help me, Lord. Don't like that. Mm. See, now what happens after you eat good is like making love. So after you make love, you don't have to worry about smoking a cigarette. You just pick up your cigar and be cool as hell. Because you're full now, so you're ready to go to sleep, ain't you? I know you're ready to go. You're ready to go to sleep. I don't care if you're black, white, Mexican, whoever. You're ready to go to sleep after you eat. It's like busting a nut. When you eat, it's like busting a nut. Oh man, I hope you guys enjoy the show. 2020, I'm coming back with some more episodes, man. But they're gonna be all on one DVD, 10 on one DVD. Each episode will have a different flavor. You hear me? Flavor. Different recipe, different comedy, and different kind of events. I love you guys all. I am the No Shirt Man. This is good. I'm getting ready to get up out of here. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. I'm ready to get out of here. This show is going to be short because we got New Year's Eve to celebrate. I'm going to the Potter's house and I'm Bishop T.D. Jason, my bishop, and I'm going to bring in the New Year's Eve with a bang. I love you all. I'll talk to you later. This is the In the Kitchen Show with your host, the No Shirt Comedian. Check it out. Don't forget to be cool, fellas. When you put on that ring, you put on that watch, put on your hat, the last accessory you need is your cigar. Don't forget your cigar. Because guess what? If you leave the house without your cigar, your ass ain't cool. This is the In the Kitchen Show. Talk to y'all later. I got some eating and smoking to do.